Namaskar to the world from Nepal. I would like to welcome in my channel. Please subscribe and share if you like the content. Thank you very much. Let's move into my topic. The importance of goodness in life. Yeah, goodness is important, essentially important, it's valuable. Why it is valuable? What is the significance of goodness in life? Is goodness important? Or only education, skills, and good employment is important? What is the connection of goodness with all this and with life? My dear friends, it's very deep subject matter. I would like to request you to listen and watch very carefully. And if you have any feedback, please write in the comment. I welcome each and every comment of your soul. The world is full of educated, semi-educated, uneducated people. And we all are marching towards development, progress. We all are moving in the field of progress. We all are moving in the field of progress with science and technology. Yes, science and technology is very important. We cannot skip it. We cannot ignore our education. We cannot ignore our profession. But my friend, the question is, are we happy now? Are you happy now? Is the world happy now? Are we suffering or not? What do you want to see? Is there corruption in your and my country? Is there terrorism in your and my country? Then where is peace? We all talk about peace. Then where is the peace? We are being educated. We have a good campaign in the universe for education. To some extent, we are being successful as well. But did we get real education in life? Did we get proper knowledge in life? Did we get proper wisdom in life? Science is important. Science is important. But science is and should be guided by conscience. There is good connection of conscience with the science. We have to be very much judicious. We must be guided by proper norms and values in life. There is absence of goodness in life. That's why we are suffering in our life. After being rich, after being educated, after entering into the good employment, after entering into the good income source or less income source, we are not happy. We try to show ourselves as a benevolent, as a kind person. We offer some amount for the charity. Even we are not happy, because that is only sponsored kind of thing which we offer. My dear friends, goodness is in the heart, in the brain, in our thoughts, in our mind, in our action, in our behaviors. We have to be always mindful. Mindfulness is very much important. When this carefulness vanishes from our mind and action, then we'll be nowhere. Yes, we will be nowhere. Our certificates, our grade, our marks, our percentage cannot help at that time. This education is only for the purpose of getting beautiful job. That's all. The bulky books of college and university has not transformed us. Really failed to transform our behavior. Yes, when there is the gathering of the people, we are successful to give a good lecture on different matter. But have we ever thought, whatever lecture we are giving to others, did we apply the same to ourselves first? Did we apply before supplying? It's a great question. So the missing part of goodness from the heart, from the mind, from the behavior, from the action, makes us and our family, our neighborhood and our community and the whole world is full of suffering. Goodness is not a simple strategy or simple program. Goodness is a result of great penance in life. We need continuous, deep practice of meditation. And meditation is the best mantra of life. Rather, we ignore meditation, but we go into the world of medication. My dear friends, if you want to remove the medication from life, then do start meditation. And meditation helps you to find your inner you. When you understand the inner you, that inner beautiful you, you really find yourself. When you really find yourself, you find the God which is within you. All religions said God is within you. Then how to find? We can find God which is within us only with goodness, only being truth. And truthfulness is gradually vanishing from this world. Why? Because human beings like you and me are being selfish. We are very much conscious only about our selfishness. We do not think the goodness of others. We do not like to see the progress of others. We do not like to see the good behavior, good environment, democratic environment in the world. We feel jealous. We feel angry. Inner anger, okay, drags us, guides us. And we are not guiding, we are misguiding. We are really misguiding in our life. That's why I request you. This is 2021 and we are in the end of 2021. After this long years, even the world is not so peaceful. There are so many great organizations which prime duty is to maintain peace in this world. But peace is missing. Peace is missing from you. Peace is missing from me. Peace is missing from the universe. Because peace has become a content for seminar, conference. We try to forget this. We only try to make the subject for the conversation. But when the time comes to apply it, we missed it. Please don't miss. The future time, the coming time will be very much dangerous because we are being materialistic people. We try to find the happiness, satisfaction in the materials. Yes, my dear friend, materials which we possess from the money, that gives only the facility. Wealth gives us only the facility. We get the utility value only. But inner value is something different. Inner peace is something different, which money can't buy, which education can't buy, which knowledge can't buy. The only important thing in life is the goodness. If you have a good and beautiful heart, if you have good and beautiful action, behavior, you easily win or achieve the heart of next person. If you and me are very much lovable for each creations of the Lord, and if we do not try to give any violence to the next human beings, next animals, if we don't kill animals, if we don't try to kill the next human beings in the name of religion, there will be peace at once. And peace is not only a subject matter for the discussion. Peace is a inner subject, inner topic, inner process which begins from the first in ourselves. And when we are peaceful, then only we can share the real peace to the next person. And if the chain becomes in that manner, then there will be peace in the real world. And it is possible when there is chain of goodness. That's why I always focus on goodness in life. Remember 3 mantra of life: truth, beauty and goodness. These 3 are the mantra of life. Beauty is not about the beauty of skin or complexion. Beauty means the inner beauty. We have to love and respect of all living things, because all living things are beautiful. If we see with this vision, if we witness with this perspective, then we don't try to kill or harm any human beings nor any animals. We only love and respect to the world. And when there is the positive vibration of love and respect to the next human beings and animals, then there won't be any violence. If there is no any violence, if there is zero violence, then there is peace. And it takes time. That's why I'm trying for this. If you want to join in my campaign of goodness, please do contact. I really welcome you. Thank you very much. Have a good time, have a good life, have a peaceful life, and have a peaceful world in this earth. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Namaskar.
Thank you very much for watching my channel. Please share if you like it.